Focus on the process, specs, timeline, budget, material availability, and supplier reliability.
Number one, timing. What's the customer's timing? What is the process and what's the timing to implement it? Short timing might indicate simple solutions. Longer timing might involve more complex solutions, but ultimately more efficient solutions. Second is a true reflection of your budget. Every process, every tooling and application has a budget. Prudent for the customer to determine what that budget is and what their needs are and see if the two could be brought together. Another question for you as a customer, is your process been developed? Has your process been thoroughly developed? Do you know what you need? If you're unsure, Cardinal's collaborative design process will help you get the answers you need.